Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be quite interesting guys, and by the way, did you all miss me? It's been like 4 to 5 days I haven't posted any video on the channel because it was New Year, right? I was on a small vacation, but now I'm back guys, back with like full on energy, and I've got like amazing videos lined up for you in the coming days. Now coming to today's video's topic guys, we've got something new from Skullcandy. Skullcandy has just launched their brand new TWS, and these are no ordinary TWS guys. These are real smart TWS, and by smart I actually mean that they're called the Grind Skullcandy TWS, and they feature something known as Skull IQ Smart Feature Technology. So using this feature now, you can control lots of things hands free, guys. You don't even need to touch your earbuds. You don't even need to touch your phone also, and completely have control over everything. I'll tell you about all of that in this video, guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is a new TWS from Skullcandy, their first model in 2022, and goes by the name Skullcandy Grind. I'm like very excited for this because this is like a real smart TWS, and I'll tell you why also in this video. We've got the Skullcandy branding, it says voice control ultimate freedom, and also has a picture of the TWS on the front, and this is the technology I was talking about. These brand new Grind TWS feature something known as Skull IQ Smart Feature Technology, so you can completely like hands free voice control everything. Along with that, you got like a 40-hour total battery life on this thing, and also they are IP55 sweat resistant as well. Now going to the back also, you've got some more features and details mentioned, which I'll tell you as and how we unbox the product. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the package. There you go. So on the inside guys, the TWS come nicely packed on this tray, and these were the items you got in the package. So at the top you get some paperwork, it's a manual, just make sure to read this for all the info. Keeping that aside, here's the TWS we were waiting for, the brand new Skullcandy Grind. Comes packed like this, very nice, complete black color finishing. We'll just come back to that in a moment guys. Let's also check out the accessories. You get some more warranty information related paperwork. There's a Type-C cable for charging the TWS, and you also get some spare earbuds as well in different sizes for your TWS. And that's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the TWS we've been waiting for, Skullcandy's all new Grind TWS guys, their first model in 2022. And there you go guys, this is how the charging case looks like. Pretty good, not that small also, it's like mid-sized case. Very nice build quality, entirely made of polycarbonate in a matte finishing, matte black I'd say, and has a Skullcandy logo at the top side. Good thing is it doesn't attract fingerprints, so that is good. Build quality is also decent, pretty nice. There's nothing on it guys, just a Type-C port at the back with an indicator for charging. And as soon as you open it, there you go, our brand new Grind TWS on the inside. And you also have a battery level indicator inside the case as well. So let me just quickly take them out and show you. Oh, they're quite tiny guys. Just look at these tiny TWS. So Grind in the hand, very nice, good build quality. You got the Skullcandy logo, and this entire top area at the top you see is a physical button guys, using which you can do a lot of things. And let me tell you, the TWS are also quite lightweight in hand. Build quality of the TWS is also pretty good, entirely made of polycarbonate. You also have tiny status LED indicators on both of them as well, and removing these stickers exposes the charging contacts. That is pretty much it guys. You've got the left and right indications over here, and quality of the ear tips is also nice. You've got the Skullcandy logo on the ear tips as well. So that's it guys, our complete overview on the design and the build quality part. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly put them on, pair them with my phone, and then we'll talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Skullcandy Grind are a Bluetooth 5.0 TWS and are very lightweight in the hand. The fit is also perfect guys, good sound isolation, and surely quite comfortable for a long time usage. Not to forget, they're also IP55 sweat resistant, so you can even use them during light workouts, and good thing is they're quite stable while wearing and do not fall off that easily. Now talking about the sound, the audio quality on this TWS was awesome. Like seriously guys, Skullcandy knows their stuff. The Grind features their signature tuned drivers that offer a premium quality sound. The mids felt crisp and clear, vocal clarity was nice, great detail in the instrumentals, and you can easily understand all the dialogues clearly. The high frequency response is also nice, good treble with minimum harshness, and coming to the bass was also great. See, don't expect headphone level bass experience over here. No, this is a TWS, different category. But still, it had the right amount of bass to satisfy an audiophile. So in the past few days I've played and listened to a variety of music and was quite satisfied with the result. Talking about the distortion, the THD was less, minimum distortion, even up to 95% volume level, and the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. And you might have a question like, can you use these TWS in mono mode? Yes, you can even use a single earbud at a time. Choice is up to you. And let me tell you about the microphone quality as well. Both the buds have dual microphones on them with background noise cancellation, and the quality of the mic was actually good, guys. The other person could clearly hear and understand what I was saying. Alright guys, so now let me tell you about the smart features on this TWS, because this is the main highlight of the model. So to access all of these smart features, you'll need to install the Skullcandy app on your phone, available on both Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And once after doing that, you need to pair them with the TWS, and that's it guys, you're all good to go. So as I've told you at the beginning guys, the Grind TWS is actually powered by Skull IQ smart feature technology. This includes so many smart features, and the first thing is it's got like hands-free voice control. That means you just need to use the trigger word "Hey Skullcandy" and that's it guys. You can use any command and control a lot of things, like you can control the media playing on your phone, you can trigger Spotify, or maybe you can trigger Assistant and do a lot of things. So let me quickly give you a small demo and show you how this thing works. Hey Skullcandy. There you go, this thing has automatically triggered and it's good to go. Then you just need to say following command. So hey Skullcandy, assistant. And now you can ask assistant to do anything guys, maybe like call your parents or call anybody or note to reminders, anything. Hey Skullcandy, Spotify. And Spotify has already started playing on my TWS. Let me just switch it off. So guys, just like that, you can use these hands-free voice controls and completely control everything without even touching a button on your TWS or even without using your phone guys. Very convenient and super handy. I really like this feature on it. And apart from that, you've got like a couple of other features as well in the app. You've got a custom EQ mode as well over here. 4 profiles are there, so you can choose them depending on your requirement. And along with that, you've got something known as a stay aware mode. This is something like ambient mode guys, so that you can get to know what's happening in the environment without the need to taking off the TWS. And along with that, you've also got like custom button settings as well, like you can define what one click on the left button does, what double click on the right button does, and stuff like that. And then best part is you can even use these earbuds as a shutter button to control the camera on your phone guys. Like whenever you're taking selfies, right, you don't need to struggle with that shutter button. You can just take this earbud out, press the button on it, and camera snaps a picture. Very awesome. And along with that, you got something known as share audio guys. This is also pretty cool. Like for example, there's somebody else also using a Skullcandy product that has this similar Skull IQ feature on board. Just by pressing this button for 3 seconds, you can share the current audio that you're listening on your TWS to that particular person. So you can share stuff like this also damn easily. And then you've got a couple of things like Spotify tab is there, and find with tile functionality is also available. Lots of smart features guys, and all of them are working well and like super handy. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life on the Skullcandy Grind is great guys. On an average, with the volume level set to 70%, I was getting around like 7 to 7.5 hours of battery life on a single charge. And not to forget, the case also has a built-in battery, right? And you can charge your earbuds up to 5 times within the case. So totally you can expect around like 35 to 36 hours of battery life. And also the charging part was pretty quick thanks to rapid charging support. A quick 10-minute charge can offer you 2 hours of battery life. Well, that's it guys, our video on Skullcandy's new Grind TWS, their first model in 2022. Very good TWS, love the new smart IQ features on it. Build quality was also good, comfort was nice, and great battery life as well. I've been trying to nitpick some cons, but actually couldn't find anything major to complain about. Only thing I'd say is maybe the brand could have offered ANC on it considering the price tag. And apart from that, everything else was fine. They cost around 7,499 rupees in India, and for you guys I have a special 10% discount coupon code available in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And that's it for today guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.